In the world of intricate craftsmanship and meticulous engineering, few art forms captivate the imagination quite like watchmaking. This video will focus on three aspects of watchmaking: the origin and development of watches, the invention and innovation of complications, and the masterpieces and legacy of watchmakers. Often regarded as both an art and a science, watchmaking is a testament to human ingenuity, precision, and the pursuit of perfection. From its humble origins to its present-day marvels, the history of watchmaking is a journey through time that reflects the evolution of technology, culture, and human creativity. The history of watchmaking dates back centuries, tracing its roots to the 15th century when portable timekeeping devices began to emerge. Early watches, known as clock watches, were massive and primarily worn as pendants or carried in pockets. These primitive timepieces were more symbolic than practical, often found in the possession of nobility and clergy. The evolution of watchmaking gained momentum in the 16th and 17th centuries with the invention of the mainspring, which significantly improved accuracy and size. This advancement led to the creation of pocket watches that became essential accessories for the well-heeled and intellectuals of the time. As the Industrial Revolution unfolded, watchmaking transitioned from being a craft practiced by individual artisans to a more mechanized and industrial process. This marked a turning point in the accessibility of timekeeping devices. The introduction of interchangeable parts by watchmaker Abraham Louis Breguet in the late 18th century revolutionized production methods, paving the way for mass production and the democratization of watches. This was driven by several factors, such as the demand for more convenient and accessible timepieces for military, aviation, sports, and fashion purposes. Wristwatches also offered more possibilities for creativity and diversity in shapes, sizes, styles, materials, and functions. The true marvel of watchmaking lies in its precision and craftsmanship. A mechanical watch is a symphony of interconnected components working harmoniously to measure time with unparalleled accuracy. The complexity of watch movements, consisting of gears, springs, escapements, and balance wheels, showcases the expertise required to design, assemble, and regulate these intricate mechanisms. Master watchmakers spend years honing their skills to create timepieces that transcend functionality, becoming works of art. The delicacy and precision required to craft components often smaller than a grain of rice are astonishing. Engraving, enameling, and gem setting are some of the decorative arts that elevate watches into objets d'art, merging technical expertise with aesthetic sensibilities. The 20th and 21st centuries witnessed remarkable advancements in watchmaking technology. The introduction of quartz movements in the 1970s marked a paradigm shift in timekeeping. Quartz watches, powered by battery-operated oscillations, boasted unprecedented accuracy and affordability. However, mechanical watches persisted, catering to connoisseurs who appreciated the artistry and tradition inherent in these timepieces. Contemporary watchmaking embraces innovation without forsaking tradition. Watchmakers integrate cutting-edge materials, like ceramic and carbon composites, to enhance durability and performance. Moreover, additional functions beyond timekeeping have evolved to include tourbillons that counteract the effects of gravity and perpetual calendars that automatically adjust for leap years. Watches transcend mere timekeeping. They embody cultural significance and personal stories. They have been gifted to mark milestones, inherited as heirlooms, and exchanged as tokens of love. The elegance of a watch on a wrist becomes a statement of style and taste, reflecting an individual's personality and values. Innovations are one of the most fascinating aspects of watchmaking, as they demonstrate the ingenuity and innovation of watchmakers, who have challenged themselves to overcome technical difficulties and create new solutions. Some of the earliest innovations that appeared on watches were calendar, moon phase, alarm, and repeater. In conclusion, the art of watchmaking is a journey through history, innovation, and human achievement. From its origins as ornate curiosities to its present-day embodiment of precision engineering and artistic expression, watchmaking remains an enduring testament to human creativity and determination. It is a celebration of both the past and the future, encapsulated in the delicate balance of gears and springs that measure the passage of time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more such content in the future.